उनकी चीखें किसी ने नहीं सुनी थी। हजारों औरतों ने कुएं में कूदकर, खुद के सीने में खंजर घोंपकर, खुद को आग के हवाले करके जान दे दी और उनकी चित्कार से आसमान तक फट गया। जिन पर हैवानियत की हदें पार कर दी गई, दर्द की वो दास्तान इतिहास के मंच पर नहीं आ सकी। मैं आपको 1947 का वो लहूलुहान विभाजन सुनाऊंगा जब सरहद पर लकीरें खींची और दिलों पर शमशीरें चली थी।
Fever has been for 4 or 5 days. There's pain in head, body and behind the eyes.
There are red skin rashes as well. These are symptoms of dengue.
Dengue?
Don't be afraid. Dengue is an ordinary viral fever. Proper treatment and liquid diet can cure a person at home itself. In very few cases, even after the fever goes down due to blood pressure, one needs to be hospitalized. Dengue symptoms? Consult a doctor. Get blood tests done. Save yourself from dengue.
Good evening, viewers, and happy Independence Day to you all. We welcome you to the news, and these are the headlines of the day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi highlights defence self-reliance during 79th Independence Day address. CM Conrad K. Sangma unveils Vision 2032 on Independence Day. Health Department launches breast cancer screening in Nongstoin. Health Minister launches health camp in Nongstoin. And Ribhoi headmen meet Power Minister over frequent outages. The news in detail. Prime Minister Narendra Modi unfurled the national flag from the ramparts of the Red Fort to mark India's 79th Independence Day, emphasizing the nation's strides in defense self-reliance. Citing the success of Operation Sindoor, he praised the impact of made-in-India weapons, stating, even the enemy was shocked at the kind of ammunition that was destroying them within seconds. Modi underscored that such precision and strength would not have been possible without India's push for indigenous defense production over the past decade.
सोचिए, अगर हम आत्मनिर्भर होते न होते तो क्या ऑपरेशन सिंदूर इतनी त्वरित गति से हम कर पाते? पता नहीं कौन सप्लाई देगा नहीं देगा, ताजो सामान मिलेगा नहीं मिलेगा, इसी की चिंता बनी रहती। लेकिन हमें मेड इन इंडिया की शक्ति हमारे हाथ में थी, सेना के हाथ में थी, इसलिए बिना चिंता, बिना रुकावट, बिना हिचकिचाहट हमारी सेना अपना पराक्रम करती रही।
Chief Minister Conrad K. Sangma hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtra salute at the official Independence Day celebration at JN Stadium, Polo Grounds. In his address, he launched Vision 2032, an ambitious roadmap to position Meghalaya among India's top 10 states. Highlighting consistent near 10% GDP growth and a rise from 30,000 crore in 2018 to 59,626 crore in 2025, he cited recognition from national and global institutions. The CM announced 10 priority goals for 2032, including improved connectivity, piped water, reliable power, housing for all, quality education and digital public services.
And make Meghalaya one of the top 10 states in the country. This is our Vision 2032. I have also made 10 clear commitments to our people which we will deliver by 2032. These are improved connectivity and mobility, piped drinking water, reliable power supply, high-speed internet connectivity, housing for all, affordable health care, nutrition and early childhood development, joyful and quality learning, effective service delivery and grievance redressal.
In a step towards early cancer detection, the Health Department has introduced a portable breast screening machine at the Maternity and Child Hospital in Nongstoin, available for 10 days to benefit women across West Khasi Hills. Announced during an integrated health camp at Ri Khasi Free Morning School, Dr. N. Karsono, Director of Health Services, Maternal and Child Health and Family Welfare, urged women to make use of the facility, highlighting the importance of early detection and prevention.
Aku MCH hospital di kita lipat di para untuk ni angkat pagi ini aku yang di lipat tidak ada aku MCH hospital tentu dari dokter juga district ini aku pihak untuk kuat tidak ada itu dan di para untuk ni bagi machine di kita lab dan tidak akan screening dan ini yang kita bangsa mesti kalau kalah dan tidak bertes lagi ni semua yang terjong kejimpat kejimpian itu yang kalau saya pakai ni tujuan kita kejimpat kejimpat.
Health Minister Dr. Ampareen Lyngdoh inaugurated an integrated health camp in Nongstoin, organized by the DMHO West Khasi Hills in collaboration with MACS. Joined by MLA Gabriel Walang and others, Dr. Lyngdoh announced new health sub-centers in Mount Hat Raishan and Nongstoin. She raised concern over rising HIV cases, 228 reported so far in the district, mainly via sexual transmission. The camp included HIV testing, breast cancer screening for 14 women, blood donation and psychological counseling for affected families.
ICTC testing namtaga HIV/AIDS. Katsangot kinong sosnong kanong taon na Hinot banlet ang test no yana. Kami kadang jinikai yapi. Ba uknyang jinpang HIV/AIDS hakajala juni upar nimpat dan di numbers na kita tiba share needles lagi kita tiba di drug. Mereka bakalong kadang sexually transmitted. Kasyong ka kle
A delegation from the Sinjuk Kirangba Shnong Ribohai district met Power Minister A.T. Mondal to express concern over frequent power cuts affecting the region. The headman highlighted the disruptions caused to households, businesses, hospitals and especially students preparing for exams. They urged the minister to clarify the reasons for ongoing outages, outline planned upgrades, ensure timely restoration of power and replace rusted poles and unsecured transformers.
Ginawa ni kepada kedua ya Sir A.T. Mondal beri Minister jangka Power Department halor jangka ni ke jingdu kalau kakak ki jangka ribuai begini. Ina kadang jangka nong song jangka ribuai district is ngurang. Banitu yang kata bakum ki nong song jangka ribuai district nyimat gide menyi pada ki victim. Ila bedong ki victim ti bamat ki syak penduk lai nak report. Ina kadang jangku Sir A.T. Mondal concern department bagi pek jangka ni ka Power Department ula ai ka assuran ba nakaliang jongka soka ba nakaliang jongka MECLE kila trei mir pat singi nak benta ben pin yang yakalai hakate ke temple boy bijungi but
Meghalaya joined the rest of the nation in celebrating the 79th Independence Day with great enthusiasm and patriotic spirit across all districts. From Maukrwat to Tura and Jawai to Nongstoin, Ministers, officials and citizens came together to honor the nation's freedom through ceremonial parades, flag hoisting, cultural performances and recognition of local achievers. The celebrations reflected not only pride in India's independence, but also highlighted the state's developmental strides and rich cultural diversity. Here's a detailed report.
At Mau Kerwat, Water Resource Minister Kamingwan Umban hoisted the national flag and took the Rashtriya salute during a parade at the Nativity Higher Secondary School playground. 10 schools, police, MCC and Scouts and Guides took part. Umban highlighted the government's focus on developing remote and border areas.
The state has also leveraged external aided projects to mobilize and create infrastructure throughout the state at a total cost of more than 11,742 crores in the sectors of road, power, agriculture, water conservation and tourism. Aligned with the national vision of Viksit Bharat, where India aims to become a developed nation with a 30 trillion economy by 2047. We aspire for Viksit Meghalaya to be a $100 billion economy by 2047. When we celebrate the 75th anniversary of our statehood, our aim is to rank among the India's top 10 states as per capita income and sustainable development goal, driven by Meghalaya Excellent Framework.
In eastern West Khasi Hills, Animal Husbandry Minister A.L. Heck hoisted the national flag at Dom Maulom Ground, Mairang. The celebration included cultural performances and felicitation of achievers.
Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Dr. B.R. Ambedkar, and Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose. Ikimau Tumpangru, Ya Lagawat Jiguram, Ekiriu Edri na Meghalaya, Utirat Singh, Ukem Nova, Wadupa Togem Selma. Ya Ai Guram, Ru Ekjipai Yadari, Bagi Pulit, IT Yadade. Banda berkir, ialah ukur usam buat yang ai. Ijinlah kemenkum kini hiki ai ini, kebu berberkat yang jinjok agak menor, berpedubai yang akurat bergementar kelawai.
In Tura, Deputy Chief Minister Sngyo Phalangthar led the Independence Day celebration at Machakolgre Lower Primary School ground, highlighting progress in infrastructure, education and rural development.
As part of the state commitment to ensure housing for all, we have made significant progress towards rural housing targets. Of the allotted 186,310 houses under PMAYG, 99.71% have been sanctioned and 79.72% completed. The Meghalaya class readiness and learning enhancement programs are bringing learning gaps and helping primary students achieve grade level outcome. In a noteworthy achievements, 96% of students under Meghalaya Board of School Education successfully passed their SSLC examination.
In West Khasi Hills, Minister Dr. Ampareen Lingdo hoisted the national flag and took the salute at St. Peter's High Secondary School playground, with 27 contingents participating. In West Jaintia Hills, Minister Kirmen Shalla led the celebration and took the salute from parade contingents.
We remain deeply committed to inclusive development, especially in border regions where communities have long faced challenges of isolation and limited connectivity. The visit of the Honorable Union Minister, Finance Minister to Meghalaya has further strengthened the state's effort towards inclusive development in border regions.
Ulalong umaume ubadon jimimut ha kajingyai limri ke Meghalaya shakaroi kapar katba nibete bankiu aten shakakhong jongka vision Arhajar Laipoa. Kumbaga Sandur ha Commission 1.0 Kajila Kalapuk Thong Banlaw Kinong Muna Jong Karoy Kapar Dakabayat Itu Ya Kishipotli Kijing Shim Lan Kibala Ban Peniat Saprang Yaki Kampun Roy Ban Bat Ban Bo Hakman Yaki Shipotli Kijing Kular Iba Pentikna Babha Kabian Yaki Nong Shosno Kani Kijing Yai Pinkat Atreng Ketong Bat Kijing Kitkli Banwan Ra Yaka Lashay Kabapuna Haparo Kinong Ketong Kikendong Ketsrot Meghalaya.
Meghalaya marked the 79th Independence Day with unity, pride and cultural spirit, honouring freedom and highlighting the state's progress. Bureau Report, DD News, Meghalaya.
And now for the weather report. First, let's take a look at the weather report in Tura. The minimum temperature was 25 degrees Celsius and the maximum temperature 31 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 81% and the rainfall was recorded at 7.6 millimeter. Moving on to Shillong, the minimum temperature was 19 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 84% and rainfall was recorded at 1.5 millimeter. Meanwhile, in July, the minimum temperature was 20 degrees Celsius, the maximum temperature 25 degrees Celsius. The relative humidity is 84% and the rainfall was 7.3 millimeter. And the forecast in Tura, Shillong and July indicates that moderate rain and thunder shower is likely to occur at most places. And now, before we end the news, the headlines once again. PM Modi highlights defense self-reliance during 79th Independence Day address. CM Conrad K. Sangma unveils Vision 2032 on Independence Day. Health Department launches breast cancer screening in Nong Stoin. Health Minister launches health camp in Nong Stoin. And Riboy headmen meet Prime Minister over frequent outages. With that, we have come to the end of the news bulletin. Until we meet again tomorrow at the same time, same channel. Thank you for watching and once again, wishing you all a happy Independence Day.